Welcome to the AutoSys training video. By the end of this video, you will learn about the enterprise command line capability in AutoSys and how to execute AutoSys commands on a server directly from the Web UI, as well as how to save commands for later execution. To enhance the learning experience, we will use an example of a fictitious bank called Hedmoral Bank to demonstrate how and when to use the ECLI to create a job report that can be rerun by utilizing this reusable, easily accessible save commands feature. Hedmoral Bank relies on AutoSys to centralize its critical operations and on occasion is required to generate reports for various internal teams. Some of these reports are generated daily and require knowledge of server names and AutoSys commands. One of the operators on the Hedmoral Bank operations team handles the generation of these reports, but has just notified his manager that he will be taking a 2-week vacation. To ensure that these reports continue to be generated, the operator will utilize the ECLI or Enterprise Command Line interface and save the commands he uses so that others can access them and run the reports while he is away. Let's enter our training environment to execute a saved command. Log in to AutoSys Web UI and navigate to the Enterprise Command Line interface. To run a command, go to the Input section. Enter the AutoSys server hostname or select it using the search icon. Next, in the command box, enter the autoping command. This command checks the connection status of the specified machine from the AutoSys server. Click on the Execute button. The result of the command execution is now visible in the output section. You can also look at the errors section for any errors that may have been generated. To create a command under the My Commands section, click the Edit button. In the input interface, enter the hostname of the AutoSys server or select it using the search button. In the command box, specify the command you want to save. For example, we will save the autorep command here. This command will generate a job report for all jobs starting with CBIN. Next, give your command a unique name using alphanumeric characters only in the name box and provide a short description. Click on the Save to button. AutoSys shows a confirmation message that the action was successful. Click OK to exit. To execute a saved command, select it from the My Commands section and click the Execute link. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK. The results of the execution will be visible in the output section. Thank you for watching the training video.